Oh, oh. Welcome. Welcome. You can either like, comment, or subscribe, right? If you don't want to do one of three of those things, you can leave. You can go. Okay, now that they're gone, I'm gonna change into something comfortable.
What is this, honey?
Okay, much better. So now that I'm in something that I could work out in, I'm gonna actually show you my daily routine on quarantine. So follow me. Let's go. I'm gonna take you to a place you've never been before. Okay, now, homegirl, it's time to wake up. Bring, bring. Yes. So there I am, waking up in the morning, stretching my body for the day that I will not have. But you know, it's always good to stretch. As you can see, I'm wearing the deluxe bonnet. Hey, whoa, hey, let them know you could do the shit. Whoa, let's stop. Now I'm going to introduce you to my doctor, Mr. Dr. Bonners, and this is what I use on my face. Now you have to really be careful with this because it will burn your eyes out if you don't keep them closed. And then here I have the brown sugar scrub. Excuse me, I'm eating. But this is a brown sugar scrub. It's really good. It foams and it's just really nice on the face. I feel like it gets me all squeaky clean. A foam cleanser. And then we have my vanity spin brush, which I use to get deep inside my pores to make sure everything comes out. I love my spin brush, as you can see. And other than that, I think that's what I'm going to be using today. Wait. I have one more thing. This is my secret weapon for some acne that I had under the skin. And so I use this. This is a little secret weapon. It's a shampoo, but it works just fine on my face. So now I'm washing those hands. The last place you want the Rona to be is on your face. And so there, oh, hey, I'm getting a little excited there. So now that my hands are all squeaky clean, I'm so proud of myself. It's time to enter the next step, which is dampening my face so that I could just put on all the products without it being too harsh on my skin. Just like the Neutrogena commercial, yes. Yes, you have to make sure you're drowning. And so this is my cure for the under skin bumps. So I put it on first. Then I hit it with the Bonner, Mr. Bonner's. It's Castile soap. And look at me. Now I have to bend over to show you guys what I do. Yes. Look at me go. Just scrubbing and scrubbing. Scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Get the side, the middle, the chin, and the other side. Gotta get everything, right? And now this is the part where it gets complicated because this particular Castile soap has peppermint, and so it really stings on the eyes. And so I try to keep it away from my eyes as much as possible. And then, as you can see, I've had enough. It's time to wash. So here, I'm washing it out. It's burning me like crazy. Until my face is baptized, I will not stop. And so, there we go. That's my cleansing routine for you guys, and so I'm all done. I'm gonna move to the most quintessential part. Yes. An A for effort, you guys. Okay, so here I'm pulling up with the toner and with the serums. Okay, I cannot pronounce the name of my toner, but I have it. It was a gift. I appreciate it very much. So I just sprayed that all over my face because it was quite expensive. So I assume it will work. I pat it into my face. Alright, I'm being a little extra, very extra. Just want to make sure it's spread. Now my face is still damp because the next item I'm going to be presenting is hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is a serum that I'm going to be putting on my face, and this needs to be applied on a damp face because it's going to be locking in moisture. Now this is just my routine. I'm not an expert, so face to lock in moisture. Secondly, I'm going to take the Ordinary brand. I believe this is the niacinamide acid, and I'm going to add this on my face. It helps because this actually gets rid of all the scars and damaged tissue on my face, which I have and had a lot of. So there it is, boom. Now my face is starting to look like glass, and so if you want to achieve that glass skin look, I guess this is how you do it. Right now, this is the vitamin C. Vitamin C is, look at my face, I'm just so over it. This is the vitamin C serum, and all you do is you add it to your face. You're going to use this mainly if you want to get rid of dark spots, right? And if you want to just make your face brighter. So there I am. Yes, just enjoying it, and I'm gonna let that soak into my face. So I've put on I've cleansed, I've toned, and I've been putting on my serums for the last few minutes. After this, I'm going to move on to moisturizing my face. Here we go. I have my Saint Ives, I have my aloe vera gel, and I just put these on as heavy masks because serums are not moisturizers. They're great agents for helping and aiding your skin in turnover, but they do not replace your moisturizer. So I put on a heavy moisturizer, the Saint Ives, and then after I follow with a gel just to make sure everything is locked in. Yes, get your neck too, because your face could look 25, but your neck is gonna look 42. There we go. And as you can see, the light is bouncing off my skin. My skin looks bouncy and dewy. Right, and I am a person who suffers from acne-prone skin, so this regimen has really alleviated those problems for me. We go, look at that face. Yes. And so there you have it. I've gone from dead to basic. Yes. And there, as you can see, I'm just showing my skin and how dark marks have faded.